Most people think wealth starts with money. The truth is, it starts with the way you think. A wealthy mindset asks, will this make me richer tomorrow? Instead of spending everything today, it looks for smart investments. Knowledge is one of the best investments you can make. Every book you read can increase your future value. People with a wealth mindset think years ahead, not just today. They know great results take time to grow. Wealthy people don't depend on only one paycheck. They build multiple sources of income little by little. Success isn't built by luck. It's built by small daily habits repeated over and over. Failure isn't the end. Every mistake is simply another lesson that makes your next decision smarter. Money grows when you take care of it. Saving, investing, and being patient create long-term wealth. You don't need giant steps. Small improvements every day lead to extraordinary results over time. A wealth mindset isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about becoming the kind of person who creates lasting success. Start thinking differently today, and your future will thank you.